The National People's Party Farmers Front, or the NPP-FF, Meghalaya State Unit officially inaugurated its new branch in West Jaiñtia Hills District yesterday at Min Thong Community Hall. Appointment letters were distributed to newly elected district and block-level members across 5 assembly constituencies. Jowai MLA and NPYF State President Wailodmiki Shilla, who served as the chief guest, emphasized the Farmers Front's role in guiding farmers to access government schemes rather than directly distributing benefits. He acknowledged ongoing concerns from farmers and party supporters and stressed the need to bridge gaps between the government and grassroots communities.
Mentuduki Presiden Sekretari Kimia gitu, MK bi coordination go biar. Ke kamran bi yang pika mau menni, ke kamran bi yang pika pendek ki kot Islam, bukan boy ki pertut caki Presiden Sekretari yang farmer front apa ki blok apa ke distrik, iba sakwan iwan ke farmer front apa ke state, wo ya kelamun wo penyoi, ya kita kicing rap lada tok, kan wo tok ki bentar, ki scheme iwa pi apply.
The National People's Women's Front, or the NPW